Me, I'm a beast, man. I don't care about you kings and gods or whatever the F y'all niggas think y'all are.
So this is the intro. Lyrical Joe is saying, he is tired of this. This is a goat. This is a punch. This is Ujjain. This is the king and all those things. He doesn't care about all those things right now. At this point, it is about respect. In this, if you are not going to accord him his respect or the respect that he deserves, now so he doesn't care whether you are the industry goat or industry Ujjain. He will give it to you. And that's the intro. That is like a warning to everyone out there, every rapper out there claiming goat and king.
From this side, we give respect to who gives respect. Yeah.
Now, get the context. He's basically dissing every rapper in Cameroon because most of them, or not every rapper, but majority of them, because most of them in the country, they've come for him, and he single-handedly is dragging them. So that is it. So you might hear some of the lines dish towards some other rappers. I don't think you would know their names or you would know how relevant they are in Cameroon and all those things. But as I said, prominent amongst these rappers, it be this guy, the Jovi, and we are going to talk about him. Yes.
I'm a goat, you mad at me? Called me pig, so I dragged you in the mud with me. You said
call me pig, so I dragged you in the mud with me, bro. Also then we preku. Preku so the omo that got they are always in the mud and all those things. So they can't call him pig, he's going to drag you in the mud with him. Bro, Lyrical Joe on the mic, yo. Let's go.
it's all about lyrical ability. When I'm the only lyrical here, show me your ability. Listen.
Say the rappers for Cameroon, they talk about the fact say rapping is about lyrical abilities. But he Lyrical Joe, and he's the only lyrical guy in this rap game. So they should show him. The Cameroonian rappers should show him their abilities. Bro, the disrespect level and this guy, oh God.
I'm not a star, I'm an underground artist, yeah. I don't have followers, I don't have blue ticks. I don't play big shows, I'm not an A-list. Let's say in my own country, I'm not the topic. I just gave you the dirt on me.
So this guy, they understand beef. Now me, anytime I go into beef or a confrontation or exchanges with someone, I always go make you know what is wrong with me, you understand? So I go this my head, this my everything. So that when we start, you will not get anything to say. And that's what this guy has done. He basically does the fact that he get plenty followers for Ghana, he get fans, they play big shows, his YouTube views be very, very small and all those things. Now that he has said all those bad things about him, you don't have anything to say again, and he's coming to move to you. And this is like is it deprecating or deprecate? I don't know. There is a term for it in comedy. That's how it is called. That's what Kevin Hart mostly do. He would make jokes about his height throughout his performance, and you understand. That's how it works. You understand. And that is what Lyrical Joe is doing. And this is dope, bro. This guy understands the rudiments of rap and beefs. What I say.
Wondering how I became your rivalry. First they gave views, your friends gave me. But when you do a good job, they gotta pay you, B. Come here, what is this you niggas worshiping? A God that is lacking in creativity.
Say the Cameroonian rappers, they are worshiping Jovi or whoever. Why then they worship him? Now then, if that guy is a god in their country, then they worship him. They lack creativity, so they understand why Cameroonian rappers they worship a god who lacks creativity. Bro, this is so disrespectful, and I am in a mode of conspiring to vomit. What did I say? Anyway, let's continue.
Your fans about to die and start posting your tweets since you were God, and Twitter is where your heaven is. Household name.
This is where God, and Twitter is where your heaven was. It rapper near a Twitter warrior? And Jesus Christ. This guy. Let's take that line back.
I analyzed this shit and got the answer. I realized your fans about to die and start posting your tweets since you were God, and Twitter is where your heaven is. Household name in Cameroon. How? I I analyzed this shit and got the answer. I realized what it takes to be a star in Cameroon is what it takes to be underground in Ghana.
He said Jovi the claim say it be household name in Cameroon, but he sat down and analyzed the whole thing, and he found out said what it takes to be a star in Cameroon. When you come to Ghana, you are just an underground rapper. You understand? So in Lyrical or Cameroon and Kabana or Jay-Z, he disrespected the entire hierarchical structure of the Cameroonian rap industry, and this guy must be arrested.
Original, cause I rap like a foreigner. Which foreign artists are you better than? Show me the rapper copy of style who's being heard in Ghana like I'm being heard in your country now. I heard replies from your little dummies. They all rapping like they never get food. What have you been cooking?
He said he had replies from his little dummies. Into like those small rappers in Cameroon, they've been replying this guy, and he says that he's had replies from him. From them, and he know they understand the kind of food this guy is cooking, cause those rappers then they seem hungry cause them are flowing more has a bathroom slippers. Ha!
You're hurt, time heals, but if you keep rapping like that, you can't afford a rollie. Since I dropped, you always in your feelings, bro. I'm just whooping your ass that I'm out. Adio, listen, yo, I'm steady sweeping people off their feet. You drop so much trash, you should be sweeping studio.
He said Jovi has been dropping so much trash. He should be sweeping studios. And they say how studio you feel afraid. Jovi no rap problem because I can't not rapping nonsense. While rapping, sir, anytime he enters the studio, then they call him Zoom Lion of rap music. And those of you who don't understand, in case you are watching me from Cameroon, Zoom Lion is like waste management company in Ghana. Then they carry the baller in this country. So in conclusion, Jovi is like the Zoom Lion. See, this guy is so disrespectful, and it's not nice, bro. It's not nice. Anyway.
I'm in the building, you know where I came from, the concrete. I put my life on another, you rappers are coming for me in this conflict. I heard you wrote a song for Akon with no past, that's why you couldn't become a convict.
Hey! He said he had Jovi wrote a song for Akon, and there was no bar, or there were no bars in the song, and that is the reason why he couldn't become a convict. Convict is a record label established by Akon. Bro, make somebody can check my BP because hey God, ha!
You look like 60 years. How old are you, man? I heard you've been doing this for long. Is that true, man? Not even a local award. You just like me, man. Check my.
He said Jovi has been doing that thing for so long, not even a local award. God, he just the flag. Hi, God. Ah. That is for Jovi.
My views are very small, like your achievements.
Lyrical Jose. His views on YouTube are very small, just like Jovi's achievement in his entire rap career. It is over, bro. It is over.
So Jovi, why you trying to be sad? My nigga, fame, cars, wealth. Man, I thought you had that. Up to gain recognition as a top notch. Got your head and still opportunity never knocked.
Wait, we could take that line back because Charlie be like, if he won't fly.
Thought you had that. Up to gain recognition as a top notch. Got your head and still opportunity never knocked.
Relax, I have to take. I know the head and opportunity something.
Thought you had that. Up to gain recognition as a top notch. Got your head and still opportunity never knocked.
Guys, that line they are not the bab. Make you people explain. I heard something like someone said not being opportunity and knocking and I they bab the connotation, but I know they bab the line. So if you understand, oh most say me chat senior and much in your kitchen. What kind of life is that?
I can't even say you kidding me. You look like
He said, relax. Let me take that line.
such a head is still opportunity never knock. You too grown, I can't even say you kidding me.
He said Jovi is too grown. He can't even tell him that he's kidding him. Really a medical line move. A medical interview this.
You look like a rapist, but still back in the penetrate. You got a label named New Bounce, but the last time we checked, your label hasn't been ringing shit. Disrespectful, mess with me, I put you on my plate. Claiming top 5 in the country where rappers are not up to date.
He said Jovi they claim top 5 in a country where rappers are not even up to 3.
Only place you rob the people blind. Your head, that's what's been blocking. Up come and shine. You already lost, but choosing to reply me is like saying I'd rather be killed than to commit a suicide. Shouldn't have dissed me on mentality. You killed yourself, but go ahead, do a tribute song for yourself. Oh, I forgot you dead. It's very sad. You're just a ghost. Well, that's a chance for you to ghost right for yourself. And man,
you hear that line? Oh God.
Rap as a hobby, that's why you drop gay bars. Use facts to come at you, but do your life got facts? You been an ass for so long, for you to ghost right for yourself. And man, you do rap as a hobby, that's why you drop gay bars. Use facts.
Nah, relax. That line.
Right for yourself. And man, you do rap as a hobby, that's why you drop gay bars.
A man who took rap as a hobby, that's why you drop gay bars. I'll explain man why.
Facts to come at you, but do your life got facts? You been an ass for so long, dude, your life got facts. There's no F.
Say he's been an ass for so long, his life, he get facts. Pew!
Your facts, so all you do is act on Twitter. Now the narrow shot the F up. A grown man like you should never be chasing this cloud. This is what
Grown man like you shouldn't be chasing this cloud.
when a country let you fill up a stadium without checking if you filled your head out.
He said a country that let Jovi to fill a stadium, they didn't check his brain because he couldn't fill his brain. So Jovi was able to fill a stadium, but he couldn't fill his brain with sense. And therefore, I had nearly breakdown. You will see at this point, you're best signing out with. This is for Jovi. This is for Jovi. Alright, so yes, this has been the breakdown with Sheldon, and as you see, Lyrical Joe, man. This should serve as a warning, a deterrent to all those rappers in this country who want to move to him. He's venomous, he's lethal, he will move to you and he will denigrate you, he will drag you into the mud. Do not try it, stay home. Don't do this. Don't do this. This guy, he know they care. He has got nothing to lose when they come for you. So respect yourself and stay in your lane. Yes, as I said, this is a dope this song to the Cameroonian guy, and I hope so we're seeing Yansa Jovi. Anyway, yes, we will update you on any other development that would pop out of this. This has been the breakdown with Sheldon Mapon.